Have you ever wondered why AI gives amazing results to some people, but terrible results to others? The truth is, most beginners keep making the same simple mistakes without even realizing it. Today, I'll show you 7 common AI mistakes and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, using prompts that are too short. Instead of writing "create a logo," explain exactly what you want, including the style, colors, and purpose. Mistake number 2, giving no context. AI performs much better when it understands your goal, your audience, and your expectations. Mistake number 3, expecting perfect results on the first try. The best AI users don't stop after one response. They improve their prompts until they get exactly what they need. Mistake number 4, using the wrong AI tool. Different AI tools are designed for different tasks. Choose the right tool for writing, designing, coding, or creating videos. Mistake number 5, ignoring prompt refinement. Even a small change in your prompt can completely transform the final result. Mistake number 6, trusting AI without checking the facts. Always verify important information before using it. And finally, mistake number 7, not saving your best prompts. A great prompt can save you hours of work in the future. Avoid these 7 mistakes, and you'll instantly get better AI results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to master AI.